Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Barton County, southern Vernon County, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Liberal, or 15 miles northeast of Pittsburgh, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prairie State Park, Nevada, Liberal, Sheldon, Montevallo, Arcadia, Brano, Milo, Irwin, Burgess, Milford, Oskaloosa, Wardella, and Hannon. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 71 and 89. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Barton, and Vernon.